esteemed members of the jury, respected awardees, Dr. Batra, ladies and gentlemen. To begin with, I would like to congratulate business world for conceiving various facets of legal profession, which has taken a quantum leap, creating fields of specialization in extremely new arenas. It not only pleases me the most, but also creates a sense of satisfaction in my mind. The tremendous economic impact requires constant innovation to stimulate ideas for the expansion and growth of our economy. And I must tell you that whenever there is growth, it commands a different kind of guidance with expertise and skill. To be a part of any jury is extremely significant. In fact, it would not be wrong if I say that it's a great challenge, and the challenge is accentuated when the jury is required to select personalities and the law firms from the multifaceted legal world. When one reads about their activities and listens to their presentation, the quantum leap in the field of legal activity becomes obvious. Many young people have established themselves with immense endeavor, and the old shine with their grace and progress. All of them, as I think, adopt modernism and are wedded to enthusiasm and continuous effort. I'm sure all of them believe, to quote Emerson, enthusiasm is the mother of effort, and without it, nothing great was ever achieved. On behalf of the jury, I congratulate the awardees and wish them further success in future. Let me now share a few thoughts of mine with regard to the chartering right course of business. Let us have a telescopic view from the legal angle. Law can never remain unaffected by the changing dynamics of the digital world and its entailing effects on business. The effects of this digitalization are increasingly felt in many areas of law, economic and commercial laws being one of them. Challenging configurations of the global economy require the state institutions throughout the world to keep pace with the new development in economic activities. Our courts also can no longer remain oblivious to the economic globalization, which calls for harmonization of economic laws and thereby pave the path for prosperous economic environment. There have been important changes in the context of economic laws in India. The government, through its policy approach, and the Indian judiciary, through its rulings, are creating a conducive environment for India, the business activities, to establish their business setups and make ease of doing business in this country. Always remember, profit maximization should not be the only aim of new emerging business that cannot be the singular charter. Economic activities with their growth must also undertake requisite corporate social responsibility, not only in their home countries, but also in nations where their footprints are felt. I must tell you, at this juncture, commerce or business are not alien to ethics. A great man had told, business is bigness. You must have a big heart to follow the ethics. If you do not have a big heart, do cultivate a big heart. As far as ethics in business is concerned, I must tell you, all the entities must ensure adherence to and compliance with the regulatory framework. Transparency, accountability, value creation, and disclosure must be the critical and crucial pillars of corporate governance. It envisages an organization in which emphasis is laid on fulfilling social responsibility towards the stakeholders by maximizing their wealth in addition to earning profit. External auditors, adherence to the compliance, following the guidelines, taking interests in the shareholders, keeping the priceless value for the investors, and showing concern in the matters where the law is not violated. Rule of law must be the seminal feature which they must be obligated to follow. Having said that, I must come back to the business world. I must say, without any innovation, that the business world team, especially Dr. Anurag Batra, Miss Ashima Ore, and Miss Garima Ahuja, deserve admiration to conceive the numerous areas to confer the awards and also for the smooth organization of the same. Lastly, I am obliged to tell that all the members of the jury have worked as a team and put in their sincere output. As the chairman of the jury, I humbly respect their cooperative attitude and once again heartily congratulate the well-deserved awardees, young and old. Before I part, I must say I was able to listen to a part of discussion, the panel discussion, and I must say it is quite interesting, educative, instructive, and also guides business houses. Thank you. Thank you very much for being present.